Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you every day at 4 p.m. till Christmas Day 2025, because it is the Christmas 2025 Spectacular. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell notification so you know anytime I go live. Okay, for you today, we have a double chocolate chip cookie. First thing we're going to do is make our dry ingredients. So in this bowl, I have 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of cocoa, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. And now I'm adding 1 3/4 ounce instant chocolate fudge pudding mix. You know, the standard little boxes you pick up at Jell-O. You want that. Then just give this a stir around and make sure everything's mixed. All right, let's move on to the wet ingredients. Okay, for the wet ingredients, we start off with a half a cup or 1 stick of room temperature butter, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Need a little beer break. Then we want to cream the sugar and butter together. Done simply just by putting your mixer on high. And now we want to add 1 egg. Then we want to add a teaspoon and a half of vanilla extract. Then give this a quick little mix. Then, in batches, you want to start combining the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. And you want to keep this up until both are well combined. Now, you want to add, once both the wet and dry are combined, you want to add 3 ounces of milk. And then you want to add a 1.5 cups of milk chocolate chips. And then push your little paddle down and give it 1 couple last turns around. On the lowest possible speed. Lock it in. And like I said, just a couple of turns just to mix the chocolate chips in. And as you can see here, I have a greased up cookie sheet. I've formed the cookies into 2-ounce balls. And kind of flatten them a little bit. And then you want to bake these in a preheated oven for about 10 minutes. Or, you know, until the cookies are done. Then put them on a cooling rack and allow them to cool a little bit. All right. And then just put these on a plate and leave them out for Santa. And that's chocolate chip cookies. Done.